Today we're going to talk about daily maintenance logs. This is important information to capture for your thermofluid system to be able to have some history going forward for troubleshooting later on. We want to reference the maintenance log that's listed in section 6.3 actually of your owner-operator's manual. And it's a simple list, and we just want to capture the set point for the temperature controller, oil supply temperature, oil return temperature, the inner coil temp, outer coil temp, stack temps, differential pressure or flow, primary pump discharge pressure, and suction pressure. Another thing that's not on here, but it's also something that's helpful, is to capture the average operating output for the temperature controller, just so that we see where that burner is operating on a daily basis for normal production. So if that changes over time, that can point us in the direction of how to troubleshoot. But all of this information will be beneficial to build some data and have that history, so that we can see if there's any subtle changes happening over an extended period of time. So daily maintenance logs, do them, love them.